Good morning. Media in the UK are celebrating this story from a Royal Air Force base in Jordan. This pilot was flying an RAF F-35 and shot down 2 Iranian drones. He was the first UK pilot to fly a stealth aircraft to destroy a target in combat. For security reasons, they did not provide his name, but for some reason they did put his photograph online, meeting here with the UK Defense Secretary. The pilot flew for 4 hours, accompanied by 2 Typhoon jets, then destroyed 2 Iranian drones. ASRAAM are advanced short-range air-to-air missiles. Looking at the first part, he was airborne for 4 hours in an F-35. Just the flying alone carried a price tag of over $100,000. The cost per flight hour of the F-35 is scandalously high, and recently the cost is over $33,000 per hour. The Pentagon understood that that was a serious issue a long time ago. Back in 2018, the Air Force was given a goal to reduce that cost to $25,000 per hour by last year, 2025. But defense officials at the time did not believe that was realistic at all. Very difficult to meet. It was a stretch goal from Defense Department leadership. Granted, this is the UK, not the United States, so the Royal Air Force may be running a much tighter ship. Hard to say, but even so, $25,000 per flight operations hour means that $100,000 US was out the door before these drones were shot down. And we didn't bother to see what it cost to fly Typhoons around. The pilot engaged the Iranian drones with ASRAAM missiles. It doesn't say how many he used to shoot down 2 drones, 2 at a minimum. Here are the cost data on those. 132s were used to shoot down the drones and cost $225,000 each. So at least 2 of those, plus the flight and operations cost, and the Royal Air Force spent over $500,000 to shoot down 2 Iranian Shahed drones. Shahed drones cost between $20,000 and $50,000 to build. So the most optimistic cost-benefit case is that the UK Air Force spent $500,000 minimum to destroy 2 drones that cost Iran $100,000 at the most. And as bad as that is, for most of these engagements against the Iranian drones, it's a lot worse. The drones are typically engaged with surface-launched missiles, and those cost much more. It's a lot more expensive to shoot down a drone than to build one. Per interception, the cost ratio is at best 10 to 1, but it may be 60 or 70 to 1. Again, the cost to put them into the air and pointed to targets is $20,000 to $50,000. If Patriots are used, those are $3 million each. If medium-range air-to-air missiles are used, those go for over $1 million apiece. So given these wildly disproportionate costs to engage and intercept these drones compared to the cost to build them, an obvious question arises, which is, why bother shooting them down at all? Reading further, we have our answer to that. Previously, a drone hit an RAF base in Cyprus, raising major concerns about the standard of air defenses there. The initial report said that damage was minor, but later we learned that the drone hit a hangar used by U-2 aircraft. That also begs a lot more questions we'll leave alone for now, but Iran is using these $50,000 drones to hit targets of enormous strategic value. They hit an early warning system in Qatar. That system tracks multiple inbounds at the same time, costs $1 billion, and now it's not working. These are scarce, these higher tier radar systems. In Jordan, Another drone took out the radar for ballistic missile defense. 3 radar domes used by American forces in Kuwait. More damage to communication systems used by the 5th Fleet in Bahrain. Another hit in Saudi Arabia. Many of these drones are getting through then, hitting key strategic targets vital to air defense and communications. In this one case, a $50,000 drone at maximum took down a $1 billion radar system. From the Iranian side, that is a 20,000 to 1 benefit-cost ratio. The RAF should be happy. It's no wonder they put their defense secretary on a plane to Jordan for handshakes and photo ops. They spent $500,000 or so to destroy drones worth $100,000 or so. And they'll go broke doing that eventually, because theater-wide, nobody can afford to shoot down those Iranian drones, but they also can't afford not to. This is Shaoxing. Be good.
Where your treasure is, there will your heart be also. No man can serve 2 masters. You cannot serve God and money. So do not be worried about your life, what you will eat, or what you'll drink, or what you'll wear. Seek first the kingdom of God and his righteousness, and all these things will be added to you.